Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and do you want to have buns of steel like Tom Morrison? I bet you do. So, stand a glute bridge. Everyone does them, yeah? You can lie down on the floor, make sure your abs are tight. Come up, squeeze nice and tight, come back down. Squeeze nice and tight at the top. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Do this, okay? Go up, squeeze at the top as hard as you can. Keep squeezing. Then start to lower down while squeezing. Then come back up again. Squeeze. Keep the squeeze the whole time. Lower down. Keep squeezing. I'm already aware of this, okay? So don't just squeeze at the top bit. Try and keep that squeeze here the whole time. So I'm still trying to squeeze the whole time. It gets harder on the way down. And then squeeze at the top. Keep the squeeze the whole time. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. It'll only take you a few reps to start to get the feel of your glutes. You'll not have to do as many reps. Your bum will look amazing. And, leave me a comment, say, I want buns of steel like Tom Morrison, and I've brightened up your day. I have made your glute bridges better. And you better get down and try that right now. None of this just sort of, and scroll on past. You get down on the floor and you try that right now. Right now! Do it! Forgot my phone.